everybody, Troy here. This is Unstoppable God by Elevation Worship. One of my favorite songs to play from a guitar standpoint. Lots of parts in this song, so Elevation Worship has a thing with like, hey, let's do 8 guitar parts and we'll overdub afterward and it'll be great. And then it makes it really hard for guys like us to play these parts. So what I did is I took a bunch of the parts and mashed them into one, like I try to do it effectively. It's really hard to do, unfortunately, but you know, this is the best I can come up with. It makes it hard to switch from, you know, effect to effect to effect to get the parts to sound right, but did the best I could. More importantly though, the words to the song are great. The bridge is amazing. So nothing will be impossible. Your kingdom reigns unstoppable. We'll shout your praise forevermore. Jesus our God, unstoppable. And the reason why I love those words is because it's keeping our mind off us. So a lot of times we hear, you know, hey, with Christ all things are possible. And that doesn't mean that you're going to be able to dunk when you're 5 foot tall. That if you just pray hard enough that you'll be able to dunk a basketball. Or if you pray hard enough, you'll go from being hard on your luck with money to being a millionaire. It's not about that. It never was about that. It never will be about prosperity or ability, that kind of stuff. It's saying that Jesus' kingdom is unstoppable, that Jesus is unstoppable, and that his purpose will be, there's nothing that's going to stop it. So as long as God is for us, no one can be against us, and that's a special message, but we have to get the context right for it to really resound. So anyways, this is Unstoppable God by Elevation Worship. Hope you guys enjoy it.